Mexico! Yeah! $82 fucking miles. Here we go. We do 100 the whole way. We get there pretty quick.
Let's not. It's raining.
Do what?
I said, let's not. It's raining.
Oh, I can put it in 4x4. It's fine.
No.
No, don't worry about it.
And you should have waited to fucking put those pumps in the fucking truck.
E85. Hi. Sorry, it wasn't two-wheel. Everybody who suddenly has a 4x4 truck, they're just fucking dig racers now. Like, no, bro, I only do digs. They fucking make 400 horsepower. They make 800 horsepower. They make 1,000 horsepower. Doesn't matter setting up suspension. Doesn't matter your lack of skills. Nothing. 4x4 automatic. Poor people's fucking GTRs over here. Like, cool. Let's put a cheap turbo kit, Whipple, and just dale. That's somebody's wife.
Oh, you went out. Oh, because she's got an Audi?
Yeah, ain't no woman can afford an Audi by herself.
What
If I'm wrong, tag them in the comments. Let me see them. I see you, girl.
Out front or what?
Right out front. It's crazy because whenever I came, Will has been hooking me up for a long time, and usually I have him drop them off, but I didn't want him to put any miles on this one. I wanted to come check it out myself, so we took time out of our hectic, stressful schedule at the shop to come over. So both me and Richard made the trip, which is unusual these days. Whenever I was test driving the white truck, the 8-second F-150 of the Gen 3s, I still don't think anybody's touched that record stock engine. I came and I made a test hit right here and just and it was fucking slow as fucking dog shit. And the fucking coolant hose popped off and it just like started spitting coolant everywhere. So I told Will, I was like, hey buddy, you gotta do something about this? He's like, oh fuck. And they had to take it around back and fix it real quick. But that was the last time I came over here. Yeah, so I bought maybe like 4 or 5 cars from Will already. I bought
one too.
Oh yeah, we got yours, my wife's ST, the F-250, the white truck, my mom's truck. We got a few.
They all had similar plates too.
Oh, yeah.
BMW.
Yeah, that's the same shit.
Won't tell you all the rest though.
Retail. Ain't no markup, baby. We got in early.
This must be his.
Yeah, that was it.
I think it's sick.
Working through some issues, so he'll probably ask us some questions.
What's up, bro?
I don't like it, man.
We'll take it back.
Yeah, I know you.
We'll tell Ford to take it back.
Yeah, shit. Somebody will come by that motherfucker for 20 over. I already know.
There you go. What you think?
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's good.
You've probably seen one or two in person already.
I've seen like the performance tackle and then I've seen the regular one.
That suede kind of all matches. Yeah, it's got the middle stitch with suede. Oh, nice.
How's it
What's
going?
up, man? How are you? Good to see you.
Awesome. The first one y'all get?
Yeah.
You ordered 2, didn't you? Or 3?
Just 2. I had yours and
Dennis?
Yeah,
I guess he
Dennis.
backed out, though, huh, you said?
yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
This fiberglass. It had a little incident, but we're gonna clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Make it nicer. We gotta button up a few more things, but it runs pretty good.
Yeah. I saw you change the hoses. You used to have some other shit on here.
Yeah, I changed it back to the other hoses that I had.
Same shit.
Yeah, I wanted to run those other ones because it just looks cool, you know, like, But, like I said, dude, I literally power washed it and left it as it is. I didn't want them touching that thing, with scratching and putting any swirls in it. You can get.
No, I got my guy.
That's what I'm saying.
He comes out on Thursday. So
That's what I'm saying. I was gonna let you get it detailed and
Yeah.
ceramic coat, do whatever you want to do without our guys messing it up. So,
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, Zach's got everything ready, man. I know
I'll be back.
it's a little bit of a drive.
There's the key if you want to like turn it on and everything.
Sure.
Inside.
Watch the remote start it. Guess I get some B-roll of the inside. Well, it's all wrapped up.
Yeah.
Brand new in the package.
Well, still got the cockpit though. Looks
Yeah.
pretty in there.
It's crazy how it's like a whole 2 iPads stuck together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It without the premium package, it looks kind of weird. It's split right in the middle.
Yeah.
So it's like 2 little separate deals right there. I mean, it's not terrible, but that's how it's supposed to look.
She likes the SUV. Oh, they
I knew
gave
I
you.
should have brought my car.
Why'd they give you the keys? How'd I sign my life away? They gave you the keys.
He's got the camera.
Yeah,
Makes
yeah.
sense.
He's gotta get props too. He's gotta get props
Makes
too.
sense.
All right, man.
Aldo,
It's good seeing you, man.
Aldo, yours is coming, Aldo. It's
Yeah.
coming.
You need something, man.
Be
Appreciate
patient.
it.
Patient.
Oh yeah. Got it.
Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna let me run and grab that, and we'll get you going.
Oh, so what happened in there? 28%?
42%.
Oh, nice.
42%
Perfect.
interest rate. It's like Snap.
Yeah. Should have got a 392 with that credit score.
Yeah. Credit score matches the interest rate.
I reported a cold start.
Did you?
Remote started it. It's loud on cold start.
It has active, so we can turn it. I'm just set it to quiet, so
Yeah.
my neighbors don't hate me like they do.
Like, oh great, brought home another one.
I need to clean out the garage so I can fit this thing in there too, or just take the golf cart or the side by side to the shop.
You're gonna garage it too?
Yeah, why not?
Or leave it outside?
Got all that house, might as well use it. Put it in the front yard. Plug the HOA.
Yeah.
Run over the ghost.
I already got what I needed. So, I, Brian Luna, will not.
We'll not make it run 6s.
Yes.
Everybody else must have told themselves about their other cars too. Nobody else has done. No, the plan for this one is just going to be whatever new cool stuff we can try out. I'm not going to be one of those fake innovators where they just carry over the parts from the previous gen and act like they've done something. The whole point of this car is to stay relevant, put some stuff out there, park it out front, sell some X pipes, CapEx systems, cold intakes, tuning whenever it's available, and be done. I mean, be honest about what you're going to do.
Are we gonna change the shop logo?
The shop logo?
Yeah.
To what?
To this one.
No.
Why not?
No, the shop logo is the blue bean. The
But
blue
you said
bean,
we're gonna keep with the times.
no, there's no need to change. The blue bean's still around. So, I mean, I got it the same color because I wanted it to match, and that way, if they do ever manage to be running at the same time. This thing, I mean, I really want to lower it. Talking to Stita about that. And then just the basic mods. You know, if my wife wants to drive it, or if I want to drive
Slippery
it.
slope.
You know,
Karen never drives any of your cars.
she doesn't want to. Well, for the sake of my wheels, I try not to let her. Good?
Yeah, I'm waiting on the tag real quick. But here's some keychains and all that good stuff for you.
Another
And
key?
the zipper key. Yeah,
Cool.
another key there.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Never got a nice little case.
You do. The higher the interest rate, the more stuff you get.
Oh, nice.
Want to go line them up real quick?
Huh?
Want to go line them up real quick?
Woo! You got an insurance card?
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's
I haven't called them yet. But
Well, it doesn't have to be on this. Just anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything back here, front plate, carpets, everything.
Appreciate you, sir.
Yep. I don't know how to do the little rev with the key.
I was trying to figure it out on Homeboy's cartoon.
I have to watch a YouTube video or something.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
Whoa. See ya.
Later. Rip me out the plastic. I'm acting right.
You're gonna be sliding around on that bitch the whole way back.
That's fine.
Okay.
Came into this world sideways. I'm going out sideways.
Jesus Christ. At least pull the plastic off the steering wheel.
Does that matter?
Yes.
Okay.
You ain't put me in your wool yet, so
How do you know?
I don't, but I'm
I
assuming.
update it daily depending on who pisses me off. So play your cards right. Because if that day comes and you made me mad the night before, you're fucked.
Jesus. Lawyers love this man.
It updates every 5 minutes automatically, the spreadsheet of who gets what. So if you're going to kill me, make sure the spreadsheet's set up the way you want it before it updates over the internet.
Yeah.
Kind of aggressive.
It's loud.
Not for long.
There you go.
There we go.
Much better. Alright, don't curve this bitch.
I'll try not to. Anything's a dildo if you're brave enough.
Jesus Christ. Alright, let's get this thing off of here. God damn, we are parked so fucking close, dude. Alright. Back home we go. twin throttle bodies.
Nice.
What do you think?
That looks like it could be an issue, can't it?
Yeah, supposedly if you fuck with like the charcoal bullshit, it goes into limp mode or something.
What's with the tape already? Damn Ford fixes stuff with plate.
Yeah, certified tape technician.
Do you think there'll be a delegate to put an intake on these and have to tune it?
Yeah, supposedly they're saying we're not gonna be able to tune these for a while, but
I mean, they took a while for the Chevys, the new ones, so I'm not surprised.
yeah.
What do you think? What do you like it?
Yeah, I mean, I've never sat in it or drove it, so I don't know. But it looks cool.
I don't know if I like that boxy look, but
It looks aggressive.
It reminds me of a Camaro.
Like the side profile looks pretty aggressive. Yeah, the brakes are fucking massive. You see how like it has like the cross hatching on the rotor?
I hate it. It's so slow. No. So we just drove it like 90 miles. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Greened and just learning how all that shit works. Took me about, 20, 30 miles in traffic, trying to get everything set up the way that I want it. I think there's a bunch of stuff for me to learn, but I didn't buy this car to be, the world record breaker just yet. So we're gonna do our basic stuff to it and see where we end up.
Yeah, just two turbos.
Just 2 turbos. We already kind of have the kit set up in our mind, so we'll see what happens down the road. But until tuning's available, there's no reason to do any of these cheap gimmicky free mods. So we'll see what we do, but I'll probably drive it home tonight, take the kids to school in the morning in it, and then we'll get to work and start messing with it tomorrow, see what we can accomplish.